Okay, let's get started. It says label the 8 angles A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It doesn't matter how you label them. So I'm going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now it says give a pair of vertical angles. So this angle and this angle are vertical angles. So angle A and angle C. And let's give another example. Let's do E and G as vertical angles. Remember, vertical angles just means that they're opposite each other. So angle E and angle G. And let's go back now. Now I want to give alternate interior angles. So alternate means left and right, or up and down. Interior means it's going to be inside these lines. So this angle D is alternate interior with angle F. So angle D and angle F. But also angle C is alternate interior with angle E. So angle C and angle E. Okay, now give some examples of linear pairs. So a linear pair, just two angles that make a line. So if I look at this line here, this angle and this angle make up that line. So I could say angle A and angle B. And since I need another example, let's go down here and use this line, and angle H and angle G. Angle H and angle G. All right, now our last one, since I've kind of marked this up a lot, I'm going to try highlighting corresponding. Remember, corresponding means they're in the same position. So angle A corresponds to angle E. And another example, let's use this color, would be angle C corresponds with angle G. So angle A and angle E are corresponding, and also angle C and angle G are corresponding. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Find all of the missing angles. So as we look at this over here, notice that this right here makes a nice straight line. So since this is a straight line, what do we know about a straight line? We know that a straight line, the two angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So 114 plus this angle have to equal 180. So just do 180 minus 114. That's going to give us 66 degrees. So that means that this angle is going to be 66 degrees. And so now I have all the information I need to answer the rest of the angles. So I'm just going to use some highlighting. Try to get rid of this one. So angle 114 degrees and angle 6 are congruent because those are vertical angles. Now, angle 6 and angle 8 are congruent because they're corresponding. Now we have angle 3 and angle 8. You could say vertical angles. You could say alternate interior angles. You could say corresponding angles. There's lots of different ways to get that one. And then let's take care of the other one. Now, if this is 66 degrees, angle 2 is 66 degrees because of vertical angles. Angle 7 is 66 degrees because of alternate interior, or you could say corresponding. And then angle 4 is also 66 degrees.